my friends. So today, for listening and learning, we are going to continue working on our nursery rhymes. And the nursery rhyme today that we have is called Starlight, Star Bright. So are you ready to read along with me? Starlight, Star Bright. It's so fun. Let me find it. Here it is. Okay, are you ready? I actually think they're going to read it to you, so let's see.
Starlight, Star Bright, written by Melissa Everett, illustrated by Oksana Pasas-Henchenko. Starlight, Star...
Just want to make sure that... Yep. I want to make sure I'm small and not really big. All right, let's do it again. There it comes.
Star Bright, the first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. One special wish I wish for you is that your heart always be true, and that you try your hardest to feel full of love the whole day through. I also wish for you to play and wake up smiling every day, thinking of nice things to say and feeling blessed in every way. My star, you are a precious one, whose light shines brighter than the sun. From sunrise till the day is done, you bring me joy and laughs and fun. You lend a hand when things are rough. You help me with the little stuff, and when the going gets too tough, your love and kindness is enough. You are an answer to a prayer. You like to teach. You like to share. You like to show me that you care by spreading your love everywhere. Starlight, I think you are the best. Now, snuggle in your cozy nest. Lay down your head and have a rest, and know that you are truly blessed. My biggest wish for you is this. I hope your days start out in bliss, then fill with love and tenderness, and end herewith my gentle kiss. Starlight, Star Bright, I love to tuck you in at night. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight.
Oh, wasn't that a great story? I thought that was such a wonderful story. So here are the words. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. And here's the little girl making her wish. So my friends, my question to you is, if you had a wish, what would that wish be? So you're going to videotape yourself and you're going to tell me what your wish would be. What would you wish for? Okay, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day learning, and I hope your wish comes true.